welcome to Da Nang, welcome to Soncha. We are here very close to Koreatown, I would say. And it is such a nice neighborhood, and I feel like somehow this neighborhood might be just a better tourist neighborhood. It's not so rowdy as the Antung area at the moment. We walked these streets a little bit. There's No Limits gym. Lots of very tasty places. We just did a bunja tour and we walked from one bunja to another. We went now to a coffee shop, was also very good, very tasty. And now we're walking to the next bunja place and I'm taking with you. Actually, Marcus, we walked here one time.
Yes.
I remember in the Fukmi streets. Here,
close by.
Yeah. Oh, now I know exactly where we are. Okay, but we have to go to the left, and then at the end of the street is the buncha place. We got some brooms here. And if you would go straight ahead, you would go to the beach. Oh, Marcus, that's where the Nobu is. Yes. So we are actually right behind the Nobu, the new Nobu.
And also the Stella Maris, right?
In Stella Maris, yeah. We walked actually here. This is the Fukmi streets, man. Dude, we already had fun here in this street. There's Fukmi 1 and Fukmi 2 right next to it. Or is it this one or is it the next one? The next one. And somewhere here has to be the buncha place. I think all the way straight and then on the right side. Or we should go to the...
Sombra. You know what? Shadow?
Shadow.
Shades. This is
Shades.
Spanish sombra.
Sontra. Oh, okay.
So not today, it's German words, it's Spanish.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta prepare yourself. In 3 weeks, you're gonna fly over the Pacific. You never did before, right?
Yeah, never.
Never.
I know.
Pacific?
Yeah, never.
No. I never flew over the Pacific either. It's very interesting. It's like, it's creepy. I only know the Atlantic route to America. But yeah, Marcus is trying to get to the United States and then moving on to Mexico.
First time.
Yeah.
It's in LA.
Marcus goes to America.
Just for the transit, I have to go to LA.
Yep.
So,
And here's the Fukmi 1. This is the Fukmi 1 street here. And a very interesting neighborhood here. We're right behind the super high-rise buildings there at Times Square and all the beach clubs right in front of it. Yeah, we're actually very excited to try another buncha. It's gonna be buncha number 3 today. We did the buncha tour for our Google Maps guide and we're testing out the best bunchas. We already had very, very good ones today. Ooh, I'm so excited. And yeah, definitely check out this QR code here, or in the first pinned comment. Get the Google Maps guide, guys. Bunchaka. That's not buncha, that's fish. Bunchaka. But also, beautiful. Look at this. VF3.
the next one we have to go right.
But you know what? This Vespa also looks nice. It's blue. It's like La Dolce Vita. You wear a white shirt and have all the buttons open. You have nice Italian fur on your chest. Yeah, maybe a little bit longer.
Maybe a line in trousers.
Yes. And some leather slippers. I think it's over there.
Yes.
Whew. Banh mi. These are the streets, and not that often I'm here in the Fukmi streets.
Well, also we have 32 degrees and it's
Super hot.
+2.
Yeah. It should be here somewhere. Ah, da! Gok Hanoi. So we have a 100% Hanoi day today. So lots of buncha. Buncha. Yep, that's it. You think we can sit out here? Yeah, we're gonna get a table. Okay guys, I I did not have much trust because there was no barbecue outside the door. Like, how do they do the buncha? I don't know. If there's no barbecue in front of the door, I don't know if I want to eat the buncha there. But we're gonna go to another one, Tonkin. But this sometimes happens, you know. You check out places, and this was an interesting place. They had Russian food and Vietnamese food. Right?
If you like Russian food, why not?
Maybe buncha with some pelmeni. Flower pots. Flower pots. Kick it, Marcus, kick it.
This is why I said plants.
Devilish flower pots. Look at this. They're even securing the flower pots here. But here they actually have some linings up here.
But it seems like completely different to the Antung.
Yep.
Because you can walk here.
Yep. I mean, yeah, a little bit. Oh, look at this,
maybe not here,
20K. Huh. What is that? So this is the Fukmi Street. So I think we walked here one time. There's also a local Fukmi market in the middle. It's always a good place to be, close to a local market. But yeah, we're gonna try out Tonkin Buncha, Hanoi. Yeah, I think this is the place. This is the local market. You can smell some fish. So they're selling fresh fish here as well, seafood. Sometimes my wife wakes up and chooses war, goes to a local market and yeah.
Buy some clams or...
Yeah, seafood and yeah, completely demolished all these seafood things. Right in the morning. I don't know how you can eat seafood in the morning. Can you eat seafood in the morning, guys? Comment below. Cracking open some crabs and clams. I mean, it's healthy, but I don't know.
Do you remember this house when it was not really finished?
Oh,
it was
yes.
like really unfinished.
They built
But
this the
now
last
it's
time.
A little bit further. Just more progress.
I'm wondering what it will be. It looks like a very maybe a hotel. It's too fancy for apartment.
There's also a small pool. So
So I don't think it's gonna be. Yeah, we gotta go straight into the right. Yeah, this is where we were last time. It was not that ready yet. There are also lots of apartment buildings here in Fukmi 1. Fukmi 1 here. I don't know what this street here is.
I can tell you, if you plan to walk in the sun during this month, on this time, you should have a lot of drinking.
Yep.
Just electrolytes or just ahead.
100%, guys. So we are now right at the main road. Almost there. Tonkin Buncha. Okay. Tonkin Buncha. We just have to go to the right. Yeah, it looks like it looks like it's gonna be good. It's good. Lots of shade here. We like shady things. Of course, usually around noontime, lots of businesses are closed for the mandatory nap. My wife is probably napping too right now. It's so healthy to nap, but I'm not a nap guy. Do you nap?
Nap.
You're old, you should nap.
Yeah, but I'm not happy.
It's very healthy. There's some kind of studies that you get less strokes if you do your daily naps. Who knows?
We will see.
Maybe it's just some propaganda from the nap lobby.
Yeah.
The nap lobby. Comment below. Are you in the nap lobby or anti-nap lobby? Somewhere here, Marcus. Ah, Bun Cha Hanoi. There we go. I mean, I trust this guy place more because charcoal. Hello. Okay. All right. Take a seat. Bun Cha Hanoi. Perfect. Everything are made of bamboo. Awesome. All right, guys. We just had the Bun Cha here. Did taste good, but the number one was still the Queens. I put a photo here. Was very, very good. Very good tour we had. 3 spots we tried, and yeah, definitely. Bun Cha is one of the things you have to try when you come to Vietnam. This is just, it is fantastic. And now we're getting into a car. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here, and see you in the next walk.